One of the most common ailments in the world is hiccups. They're mostly annoying and don't last too long, but one local doctor came up with a way to stop them in their tracks. Eyewitness News reporter Troy Kless shares how a problem in some patients led to the solution.
You know what the baby elevator is?
Two girls who love tending to their garden. Twin sisters, Avery and Paige.
No, she's a pointy boy.
Avery is the caring one.
Now my turn.
Paige is the playful one.
Never a dull moment in our house. We never know what's coming up. We never know what's going to happen.
Their mom, Pat Squires, stays on her toes. But there is one thing that occasionally slows these two down.
Avery was low birth weight, so she would get more hiccups than, say, Paige, and then often Paige is more rambunctious, so of course that initiates the hiccup process.
Her colleague, Dr. Ali Safi, who works at both University Health and UT Health San Antonio, says he noticed patients recovering from brain injuries suffered often from hiccups.
These spasms in the diaphragm, they're going to send a message to the brain, and then brain send a message to our throat. And you're going to close the glottis, which is like the breathing or vocal cords.
Creating that familiar sound, Dr. Safi invented a way to stop it with this device called the Hiccaway.
And your hiccups?
All gone.
A study from the American Medical Association finds it 92% effective at stopping hiccups. A pressure valve at the bottom of the straw has a child and adult setting. You put the straw in a shallow glass of water and forcibly take a sip, activating nerves that go to the diaphragm and throat that cause hiccups.
Because these two nerves are activated instantly through the pressure suction through this, the vicious cycle stops instantly and the hiccup stops instantly.
So successful, he's sold more than 20,000 straws so far. The straw simpler than trying other at-home remedies.
All of the old folks would tell us what to do, you know, hold your breath, take cold water, and none of them worked, really.
No more hiccups?
Yeah, no more hiccups.
But the Hiccaway changed that
Yeah.
and has this mom's approval.
So it's that easy, so my message is use it. I mean, for adults or children. The minute you get the hiccups, go ahead and use the Hiccaway.
This is like something you need to have for medicine cabinets.
The Hiccaway is a washable, reusable device that costs only $10, and you can find it at H-E-B or on Amazon. Troy Kless, KENS 5, Eyewitness News.